Just a no-go like Joe for me. You or someone you know gets cold sores, fever, blisters, honey, when I tell you these things are a go. Like, Joe, move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Movie groovy. Still deal like Holyfield. It is definitely these. Now, I had used about 4 of these. This is how good I'm trying to tell you, Linda, these things are. Now, these are cold sore healing patches, and you get 12 of these for $1.25 at the tree. Ooh, girls. Good for you and me. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
Dollar Tree. Why you being fancy like this on me? Why are you being fancy like this on me?
It's just a no-go like Joe for me.
Honey, it is perfumes for me at the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree has their $5 perfume. Honey, get into it and do it. Now, these are absolutely gorgeous. And I must say, the packaging, Dollar Tree, you're doing your thing like a chicken wing, honey. Check these out. So when I tell you that these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Yes, and you know what it is for me? It is definitely the packaging that wants all the tea.
So I heard you fancy gals wanted the tea on the Dollar Tree $5 perfumes. Now, I have purchased 2 of these. The first one up is the Bay Velvet. I am not a fan of these. They have an okay scent to them. They smell like floral. These are $5. I mean, the packaging is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield, but when it comes to the scent, in my opinion, it is not the best scent. Now, when you first spray it on you, you do smell like this alcohol smell at first. And then afterwards, the scent, it kind of lingers down. And then you smell like the perfume. It smells like a cheap perfume to me. Also, when you get in the shower and you was to spray this after the shower, you do still smell the fragrance. But, well, I purchased these again. This is a no-go Joe for me.
See, listen, this is the problem I have with you guys at the tree. Honey, it is these items like this. Honey, I'm here for it. When I tell you, lemon pound cake. Oh, yes. Honey, now you know you rocking with the best. Now, this is the lemon burst candle. And when they say highly fragrance, honey, they meant that. Ooh, got me wanting to dance up in here. Now, you know it got to be good if I'm feeling like I need to dance. Now, they got others, and that's words of the mother and the brother. Oh, how people ain't get this. Now, the apple cinnamon, you definitely can smell it. But, honey, it is that lemon burst for me. You heard? Okay? Honey, like Big Bird. It smells amazing. You know, I just love all fancy items, you know. Dollar Tree has these taper candle holders. It is the pumpkin for me at the tree. Oh, yeah, a movie. Groovy, $1.25. Now, let me tell you something. You know the holidays soon will be approaching. Now, Dollar Tree has this item that absolutely amazing. Check this out. If you want the tea, you gotta stick around, Linda, and let me do me. So, it is these gorgeous 2-tier trays. at the tree. Honey, it is the pumpkin for me. Now, they also have the acorn as well. Oh my looky cookie. Heard that you want to be organized. You have a bunch of shoes and you want to put them well organized. Honey, get into this next item. It is the fanciness for me. So Dollar Tree has these extra wide shoe boxes. Absolutely amazing. What I absolutely love about these, they come with the lids. Yes, honey, you rocking with the best. Now, these are $5, but this is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Get rid of them boxes that you got in that old closet. When I tell you it is the Halloween decor at the tree for me, let me give you all the tea. This smells amazing to say the least. Oh my looky cookie. Now, if you guys are looking for Halloween themed candles, Dollar Tree has these forbidden orchid candles. The orange one is giving all the heat. You just got to move your feet to the beat. Now, Dollar Tree also have this one. This one, it smells good, but in my opinion, the orange one is definitely delivering, and as words to the mother and the brother. Now, they also have this one as well. Now, all of them says forbidden orchid, and they don't have like the scents on them, but honey, when you come to the tree, I'm telling you, honey, you gotta clock that tea. It is this one for me. Now, Dollar Tree also have these like candle holders. These are definitely tea. And look at the cat, honey. Honey, it's the sparkle darkle for me. Honey, they are moving and grooving. And look at this. Oh my, the crow. Honey, you just gotta flow. Like I am doing with these lyrics. Now, Dollar Tree also have these over here. Now, this is the 6-piece fairy garden. Oh my, looky cookie. Honey, they definitely want your coin. So I heard that you love coconut. Dollar Tree has this very interesting drink. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. So this is the coconut water with chocolate. Oh, honey. I don't know, Joe. Now, this is from the brand So Natural. So Natural, they have like a lot of good drinks, like they mango, pineapple, watermelon drink. And soursop, honey, I don't know about this one. Okay, the coconut water chocolate. Ooh, child. Dollar Tree, come on now. So, you've been looking for a coffee cup that you can take to work, or maybe you rushing out of the house most mornings and you need a coffee tumbler. Dollar Tree, and a place to be. Now, Dollar Tree has these stainless steel double wall coffee tumblers that comes in several different colors. Honey, a movie, a groovy. So Dollar Tree has the white, the purple, and also the blue. Honey, get into it and do it. So you're looking for skincare, affordable skincare that is, and when you do your makeup, perhaps your makeup, it don't look good, okay? Honey, come to Dollar Tree, because you know it starts with the skincare. Come to Dollar Tree. This Olay Doopity Doop. This is a hydrate and moisturizer. It is amazing. And the reason I talked about makeup is because I do have this up under my foundation. And honey, isn't she movie groovy? For $1.25 as opposed to $30 or $25, honey, this is a steal. When I tell you it is the signs at the tree for me, this is so adorable. Ooh, this, you know, it really warms my heart, this sign, okay? This says my first day of my teacher is, my favorite thing is, I want to be when I grow up, and then I am whatever age they are. The fact that Dollar Tree has this is movie groovy. And I love the fact that you can keep this and have this as a memory. So when your children get older, you know, from time to time, you can go back and look at this. I like this. Dollar Tree. Why you being fancy like this on me? Okay, why are you being fancy like this on me? Honey, check these items out at the tree. Honey, it is the 12-pack reusable ice cubes for me at the tray. Now, they have Mickey. Oh, he be acting a little tricky. Now, they also have Stitch that's going to put you on a ditch. They have Minnie don't know nothing about Penny. They also have Spider-Man. Oh, honey, looky cookie. These are cute. Now, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous Harry Potter pencil pouch. Oh my honey, I love it. I absolutely love it. So they have the Harry Potter. Oh, child, get into the back of it. They better stop playing. And then they also have My Little Pony. Oh my honey, don't be a phony. Just get the little My Little Pony. Honey, this is absolutely a movie, a groovy. Honey, when I seen this next item, I was like, oh my looky cookie. It's the fancy for me. Honey, it's the boy Stitch. Don't have no worries. Look at Stitch. Honey, he'll put you in a ditch. Now, they also have these Minion socks as well. They also have the boy Winnie the Pooh that says, who? Honey, it is given. And they also have the Wizard of Oz socks. Dollar Tree. Stop playing with me. Now, if you gorgeous ones are looking for a drunken elephant, a doopity-doo, oh yes, Dollar Tree has it. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Dermasil. This is the face serum oil. They also have the whip recovery cream. Then they has the hydro serum blueberry extract, honey. Where's that? They also have the multivitamin eye serum and also the melon jelly cleanser. Now these items are $1.25. You gotta move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Now, if you guys are looking for something to relieve your hands and pain that you're going through, Dollar Tree has these copper hand gloves. Now, this is anti-odor, graduate compression, increases circulation. Oh, honey, it is $1.25 at the tree for me.
Hey, my love, so let us know in the comment section, what was your favorite item? Mine definitely was the lemon burst candle. It smelled so amazing. Also the pencil pouches, the Harry Potter one, My Little Pony, and also the back to school, those signs that says my teacher name is, those were amazing. And also those shoe boxes. Now, if you guys have purchased some fancy pantsy, mancy looking like Lancy items from Dollar Tree this week, let us know in the comments section. Give us the tea what you purchased and if it's good for you or me. With that being said, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.